Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my insurance broker business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what I'll do is introduce y'all to my insurance broker business plan template, specifically the Word document, which includes the actual business plan template. And then I'll also show y'all what's in my financial model, which is the Excel file. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this whole presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the insurance broker, a business plan template. So in my business plan template, you do get a Word document which contains the actual business plan template, and that's what I'm going to go through right now. And then at the end of the video, I will also introduce you all to the financial model, which is in an Excel file, and I'll walk you through what's included in that as well. All right, so let's take a look at the Word document. So in the Word document, when you open it up after you do purchase the template, you're going to be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to get rid of this wording right here, insurance broker. They'll put their logo and then leave business plan underneath. Second page is going to be your table of contents. And then in the table of contents, once you add your information to the business plan, you just go to the table of contents, you click on it, click on update the table, click on update entire table, click on OK. And the headers and the page numbers will update accordingly. Your next section is going to be the executive summary. In the executive summary, I give you a great starting point for an insurance broker summary, your target market, your financial highlights, and your funding request. Anywhere in yellow, that's where I recommend you make some changes, but make sure to read through the whole plan and make sure it is aligned with your company. For the financial highlights, you would have to update your financial model. And once you're done with the financial model, then you can go ahead and take out your first year revenues, expenses, and your net profits and put that information right here. On page 4, you're going to find the company description. In the company description, again, you're going to have your insurance broker summary information that you can fill in, services provided, and then you can go ahead and update your competitive advantages, your primary target market. I give you a section for your pricing strategy. I also include the hours of operation in here for you, your location information, you can update that. And then we've got a business objectives and timeline that rounds out this section. And this just going to tell your reader where you're going to be in 3 months and 6 months and 12 months. Next section is going to be the industry analysis. I get my information from IBIS World. In my opinion, they are the industry leader in industry research. I access their reports, summarize their information, and put it into my document. And then at the bottom, I do give credit where credit is due in the footnote. This includes a SWOT analysis. For the SWOT, you just click on the word and it just make the changes as you see fit. SWOT analysis is your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. The next section is going to be your organizational structure. It's broken into 2 components. It's got your ownership information right here and then the organizational chart. Again, organizational chart, you just click on the word and put your information in there. Marketing section, I give you a great start for the marketing section, and there are 3 channels that I give you a head start with, which is going to be your traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. And now we are to the funding request. For the funding request, you're just going to tell the reader how much money you need and the terms you're expecting, whether it be for a loan or for an investor stake in your company. And then the final section is going to be your financial projections. This information you would copy and paste from your financial model, and I'll cover the financial model in just a second. But once you put all your information into the financial model, you'll then go ahead and copy and paste your financial statements into the business plan. And in the financial statements included in the template is going to be your profit and loss statement from year 1, broken up monthly as well as quarterly for the first year, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Then we've got month 4 through 6, quarter 2. We're now at month 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then also included in the template is going to be your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years, broken up annually, covering your revenues, your expenses, and your net income. All right, so the next segment here is going to be your financial model. So in the financial model, it does come with 4 tabs, your information page. On the information page, this is where you're going to make all your changes, and you're going to put your information in there. And anywhere you see in these darker color cells right here, this is the information you can update. And once you update this information, as you update this information, the projections tab will update. And so all these numbers, this is just your financial summary. This information will update. Your profit and loss for the first year will update. And then your income statement will update. And then once you're done updating the information in the information page, you just simply copy and paste the financial statement into the Word document. Some of the changes you can make is going to be to your monthly sales, your labor, your startup cost right here, and then your monthly fixed cost. You can make your changes here. Miscellaneous information. You can change your growth rates for your sales annually for the first 5 years, and then annually you can update your fixed cost, and then any loan information you can plug it in right here. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.